some of you actually play games, you download applications every day, you go to social media, you watch videos every single day, and the thing is, you guys do all of these things for free without getting paid. Yes, but what if I told you that there's a website that will pay you for test running websites for companies, for answering survey questions, for playing games, for watching videos, and doing some micro tasks that you will do normally with your phone and without getting paid? So this company, they're going to pay you for doing all of these things for free of charge, and it's a no investment scheme. You don't have to pay a dime before you get started. And another amazing part is that they pay in dollars. You get to withdraw your money when you get to $5. Sounds good, right? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're just coming across my video for the first time on this channel, I talk about how to make money online. I talk about apps, hacks and tricks that has worked for me. I come on in here to share it with you guys so that you can also check them out so that it can actually work for you as well. So that's what I basically do on my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. I see your comments, I see your likes, I see all your shares, and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you so much. All right, so you guys, in this video I want to show you a website. This website is actually a legit website. They've been running for over 10 years. They've paid a lot of things. One of the important things you have to look out for if you want to know the legitimacy of a website is their customer service. If they don't have a good customer service, maybe you're stuck in between and they don't have a good customer service that you can relate your issues to, that means there's something wrong with that website. All right, but this website has good customer service and they have lots of reviews. If you go to Trustpilot, you see there are reviews. Yeah, I'm going to show you everything for you to know that this website is not just the regular watch your video scheme that we see everywhere. This is actually legit and they pay. And the good part is that so they get to pay you between Monday to Friday. So once you get to $5, that's like the minimum withdrawal threshold. They're going to pay you instantly. Another perk is that it is available worldwide, regardless of your location, your country. You can have access to it. And another most interesting part is that they have different payment methods. They have bank transfer, they have PayPal, they have cryptocurrency, and they don't run out of tasks for you. They always have tasks for you to do. So if you can devote like 2 hours of your time every day doing tasks on this website, trust me, you're going to be cashing out real good. I'll show you testimonials. I'm going to show you proofs that this actually pays. All right. You know, I will not even come here to come and give you what doesn't work. Like I said, on my channel, I share with you guys what has actually worked for me. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive in straight to my screen. Let me show you how you can sign up and get started. Like, you sign up immediately, you get started, and you get earning. All right, come with me. So you guys, the first thing you will do is to click on the link in the description below, and it will take you straight to this website where you get to sign up with your email. If you read this through and through, you're going to see that this website has been in existence for over 10 years and they've been running pretty good with no issues, and they've been paying people. And if you scroll down again, you're going to see a part where you can actually contact the customer service. You're going to see their terms of service, and you're going to see, should in case you're stuck, you can as well reach out to their customer service support, and they're going to help you out as well. I mean, that is one of the real things you have to look out for whenever you want to use site like this. Their customer service, is it working? Is it okay? You know what I mean. So let's just dive in. So you just go ahead and put in your email, your password, and of course the verification process as well. Click on that and go ahead and sign up. So after signing up, you should have something like this. Okay, you can see the dashboard for earning. You can see what the website is looking like. You can see that there are already tasks available for you already as you're signing in. I mean, as you're signing up, you're having tasks to do already. Okay, so what you want to do now is that you're going to go ahead and click on read the agreement and click on I agree. All right, so after reading the agreement, their terms and conditions, you just go ahead and click on this green button that says that I agree. That's when you get to receive your welcome bonus of $0.500. All right, so you can see that the bonus is already reflecting because I already agreed to their terms and conditions. All right. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to also make sure that you set up your profile. All right, if you go to the dashboard, you can see this is where you get to track all your earnings. All right, so you get to track your earnings here. So the next thing you want to do before you can have access to task is that you want to complete your profile setup. Because if you click on task, for instance, if you click on this task, you're going to see that it's not going to bring out task for you because you have not set up your profile. So that setting up of your profile is very, very, very important, and verification of your email as well. So you have to also ensure that you verify your email, you set up your profile, which is very, very important. If not, they are not going to load task for you. So let's go ahead and verify our email. So upon sign up, they're going to send a link to your email. So let's go ahead and log into our email. I'm trying to log into my email to see. Let's see what we have. Okay, so once that email has successfully loaded, they're going to send a link to your email. You're going to click on that. You can see that they've already sent a link to me. So you just tap on the link, go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you to this page where you get to set up your profile. That's your name, your address, your postal code, and what have you. Like, you get to set up your profile. You can see that it has taken me automatically to this page where I get to set my profile up. So you're going to do all of this, put in your name, all the details that are required of you. You just want to make sure that you put in those details so that it can load task for you to do. Because what's the essence of coming here and not getting tasks to do? Okay, so that's that about that. You put in all these details, make sure that your details are very correct, so that if you want to apply for payment as well, it can tally with your payment method and what have you. All right, so the next thing you want to do after this is to go to task. So you can see that I have successfully set up my profile and what have you, and that's it. So you just go ahead and go to task. If you click on task, you're going to see lots of tasks. You can see that it has loaded my task, and you can see that I have about 245 tasks here to do. That will give me about 295 point something dollars. So you guys, you can see that that's like a whole lot. So these are tasks that if you do everything, that means if you can complete all these tasks, there's tendency for you to earn this amount of money. And you can see that the tasks are much, so you can never even run out of tasks. And they are simple tasks like follow Instagram page, watch YouTube videos, and what have you. So you just want to click on the task and follow the submission process, the task instructions, follow it and submit it the appropriate way. And you guys, you have to be careful because they ban people from this website. If you don't follow the instructions, they can ban your account. So you just have to make sure that you follow all their instructions. And these are other ways to make money as well. You can see the surveys, we can see other ways. We see offer walls, the content, the refer, the push clicks, the chatbot, the surveys, the games. You can play games on this site too and you earn money. This is jackpot. This is the survey. I don't want this video to be longer than this. That's why I'm trying to summarize all the old points. So you can see we have different methods. You can decide to play game. You can decide to play games and you're going to earn from there. So it's very, very easy to navigate. All you just have to do is to read instructions. Don't do anything without reading the instructions. Read the instructions on each task before you carry out the task so that you won't get banned. Then the payment method as well, you can see all the payment method available. So that's it, guys. So if you love this video so much, you guys, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to share, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to leave a comment. I want to see your comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Till I come your way again in my next video. Bye, guys.